rocket!
Wait for it. Whoa!
DnD Labs. Hey guys, welcome back to our video!
What are we going to make today?
Today we're going to make mini rockets.
Yeah, we're going to launch a mini rocket.
All
So what do we need?
is some bicarbonate soda.
Yeah, bicarbonate soda.
And a mixing pot and some water. And
It's got 1 tablespoon.
and half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon, that's right. And then what's this? That's a film canister. That's going to be our model.
Canister.
Yeah, that's going to be our model rocket. And some white vinegar. Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix the vinegar with bicarbonate of soda, and we're going to create a chemical reaction inside our model rocket. And when it mixes, it's going to create a gas, and that gas is going to fill up the gap in the canister, and it's going to build up the pressure. And once it's full, it's going to have nowhere else to go, and it's going to push the lid off, and it's going to force the bottle into the air.
So it can get all of it out.
Yeah, so you ready? So what we're going to need to do first, we need a way to put the bicarbonate soda and the vinegar inside without them mixing straight away. So it gives us time to set our rocket and step back before it launches. So what we're going to do first, we're going to get the bicarbonate soda. You're going to get the bicarbonate soda.
Mum won't let something enough to do that.
And we're going to get a tablespoon. God, that's tight. Get a tablespoon.
Tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. A lot of it.
We want 1 tablespoon. We're going to put it in our mixing pot. That's it. Put it in there. In the mixing pot. That's it. Doesn't matter if it's too much. That's fine. Right. Put that water to one side. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix it with the water. Just a little bit of water, and we want to make it sticky because we want to be able to stick it to the top of our lid so that it doesn't mix with the vinegar. So just pour a tiny bit in, just a teeny tiny bit. That's it, and then mix it.
With this.
Yeah.
We're going to use it with something else, aren't we?
And then we just keep adding water until it all sticks together. See, a little bit more, that looks dry. Another teeny tiny bit. That's it, give it another mix.
Turning into icing.
It does look like icing, yeah.
Don't eat it.
Make it get all really mix it, get all the stuff to the edge. Once you can get it on the spoon, and you can tip it upside down without it falling off, it's ready. And then what we want to do, we want to take that and we want to stick it.
I don't want it to be really sticky.
You don't want it too sticky, no. You want it to be, but you want it to stick because you're going to stick it to the lid. So you want to tip that over onto the lid, give it a little tap. That's it. And then you're going to push it down and stick it to your lid.
And how are you going to put it back on?
Well, that's what you want. You want to be able to put the lid back on without it falling off, so it doesn't mix with the vinegar. And then you're going to fill up your model rocket with some white vinegar.
And then put it on.
I can get the lid off. So you want to do it about 2/3. You want to leave a little gap so that the bicarbonate soda doesn't touch the vinegar, and you leave a little bit of space for the gas.
What gas?
The gas from the chemical reaction. So you want to do about 2/3. Just leave a little gap. Once you've set your ingredients and you've got your rocket set, we're going to go outside to launch it. Because number 1 rule, you never launch rockets inside the house.
Because you'll break a window or a phone.
Yeah, so let's go outside. Right, so we've got our launch pad.
Yep.
What you want to do, you want to try and get the lid on without the bicarbonate of soda coming off. You want to just pop the lid on, gently seal it. You don't want the bicarbonate of soda to fall off, just like that. And then, when you're ready to launch, you flip it over and watch it.
And then you get back.
You ready?
Yeah.
3,
2,
1, go! Step back! Wait for it. Whoa!
That is scary.
Alright, goggles down. Rocket test 2.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I hope that one goes straight over.
Flip the rocket. 3. Oh, go for it. Give it time.
That made me sad.
Launch test 3. We're going to launch 4 rockets and we're going to try and flip 2 each.
But we need to jump back.
Yeah, you got to jump back. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So, on my count. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no! My shoulder! Ow, ow, ow! Thanks for watching our video. Let's do a rocket. I hope you like and subscribe too.
Flip it.
Oh. Went over there.
Good job. See you next time.